Welcome back, I'm Daniel Farjun, the developer of the Magic Camera 3D simulator, and today in this video we are going to see how these controls of the camera settings work. So we already saw how to select the camera, how to select the lens, all the characteristics and simulations happening. And now that we are using the tripod, let's check what we can do here. So if you slide this slider, you can rotate your image. So you can maybe search for new angles. So now we are doing like this. So you can explore your composition in different ways with the rotation, and even if you want, you can do like a vertical portrait. Of course, we are not rotating our camera because we are recording this video, but you can feel how it is just by doing this rotation. And if you want to go back, you can try here or simply press reset. This is amazing, but we have something bigger to discover. Now let's face this situation. We have this sunset time, it's 5:38, and well, you barely can see this sunset, right? You just understand that this is like a golden hour because of the color of the environment. Well, you have this blurred background because you have a 77mm lens with the aperture 2.8, and you are using the flash. You are using here the flash. So you can't or you shouldn't go over this speed. It's 1/160th of a second. So if you are using high-speed sync, you can go over and you can show this sky. But if you don't, you should stick with these settings because you are using this specific camera. So how can you then have this picture with the good exposure while maintaining this aperture in 2.8, because you indeed want this background blur and you can't shift your settings of the shutter speed, you can't move. Your ISO, okay, in this scenario we can put to 100 or 125. It's better, but it's still not what you want. So how can we perfect this situation? Well, we have the ND filter. It's a filter that you put in front of your lens. So this is a variable ND filter where you can slide and you can reduce the amount of light coming to the sensor. So what you can do here, you can slide this ND filter, set the exposure to the sky. She will be a little bit underexposed. We come back to the lighting and pump up the power of the flash. We can even change the color of the flash to match. Can you understand now that with these powerful ND filter settings you can have amazing pictures? And this is our scenario. Okay, that's it for this video. Next video we are going to move on this top menu. See you soon and stay tuned. Bye bye.